Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you all the projects that I did in August, all the scrap busters, the stash busters. I'm very excited about some of these, and I just wanted to say if you want to check out anything that I've got for sale, there's a Store Envy link in the description, and there's an Etsy link in the description as well. And I've got a new book coming that is also in the description, and I'm very excited for all these things. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. And I will get to it. I made some cute stuff this month, and some of these I have not shown you yet, so I'm very excited. With the hat book coming, there's going to be a lot of hats here. So first of all, we're going to go with this blue one. Blue and white, just a basic beanie. This is double chunky yarn. So it's a double 4-ply actually. That is like one of my favorite beanies to make. It's just a basic beanie with 2 4-ply yarns. And then there's another one because I had to do a tester. This one's a little bit bigger because I used a bigger hook. So there we go with that one. These are so fun to make and to play with. Now there is a lot of green and purple because that's what I had for 4-ply. Now I love this one. It's just cute, cute. And I love the cute hats. If you haven't learned that by now by watching. Here is another ruffle hat. There we go. So that one's super cute. I love this one. And a basic beanie. These are great stash busters because you can make them and donate them. So I love the style of this basic beanie with just a regular 1 piece of yarn, 4-ply yarn. And this might even be like a 3-ply. It's just very comfy. And then I experimented with, this one's a child's. It is a cat ear beanie. So these are fun. Yes, I've never done one of these before. It's a little cat ear beanie. So there we go. That is a very new style, and everybody loves the cat ear beanie. So there you go. A cat ear beanie. I've got 2 of these made, and that was a fun project. And they're very simple to make. If y'all would like that, I will do a video on that. There's lots of videos out there, but it is a fun video. Then there is the extra warm beanie. And this one is super, super warm. It's like single crochet, back loop only. One of my favorite hats to make. So there we go with that. Then we have some bags. Now this one is coming in a video very soon. I love this bag. It is so soft. It is a chunky yarn. And it's like a classy little bag. I just love it. It could carry quite a few things. And it's just, I don't know, it's just so soft and fun to carry. I love this bag, and I'm probably going to keep this one. I don't know, because I'm a bag lady. Then there's this bag, which is why the video is so far out today, because of this bag right here. I love it. It's a scrappy, full-on scrappy bag. Absolutely love this. There is a video coming on this one as well. This is one of my favorites. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm going to make myself one that's a little bit bigger. So, there you go. This is a fun and easy bag. If you can crochet a single stitch, a single crochet, you can make this bag. It's very easy to make. I love this bag, and I love it with the scrappy yarn. Now, my favorite bag of all this month is already on a video. It is the giant drawstring bag, and it has the shoulder strap. So this bag here is one of my absolute favorites. It can hold all kinds of stuff. If you wanted to go for a weekend, this bag would be it. And if you want to take your project somewhere, this bag is it. I love this bag. It is just so adorable. All the scrappy yarn. It's a double 4-ply all the way. And it is just so fun. I love it. So, I'm working on a book coming out for the hats. I've got quite a few hats in there. I think there's 10 in the book. I've got some of the hat patterns on Etsy, and I'll put that link in the description. Okay, my yarn projects, and this is a journal I put together so you can use it no matter what your level, no matter what your fiber art that you're doing. You can be crochet or knitting, and technically you could do any other fiber arts and use this journal. This will have the link on Amazon. I made this in Canva, and I love it because you can put your projects in here. This is the chunky clutch bag, and I'm going to have quite a few in here. So this is great for keeping track of what you've done for the year and who you've made it for and why you've done it. So this little book will be on sale on Amazon, and I will put that in the links. So this is all that I've made in August. It has been a very busy month, and it is the end of summer and school is starting back up. I'm excited about all that is coming, and if you'd like to join my blog, it is wildlyartisticliving.art.blog. And if you'd like to get this book to keep up with your projects, it will be in the description. I have another book coming very soon, and I want to thank everyone for watching and supporting my channel. And no matter what way you do that, by liking a video or subscribing or sharing a video to someone else who likes to crochet, I very much appreciate it. I'm thankful for all my friends who donate yarn or have me make projects for them, because I get to make videos about those projects. And that one, I've got a big one coming up. Very excited about that. So thank y'all for watching, and I hope you have a really great day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.